everybody. So today, me and Gag and Woofy Gamer are playing Swarm Simulator. Yay! Round of applause. And I also have a microphone now. I don't know about Woofy. Woofy's gonna probably start recording on his thing now, so you can go check out his perspective after you finish watching this video. So yeah. Yep, he's doing it.
So me and Quaky Gamer, we are going to play Swarm Simulator on Roblox. So let's go into it.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. Well done. Okay, let's do this. Like you can see, I'm way better at this. I'm just gonna go see my quests. I'm gonna go. I don't know. What should I do? Let me just check my quests.
A few moments later.
So let's use this on the Radbee. Oh, we got a Frosty Bee. Nice. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna turn this off so you can actually see this happening. Yeah, I'm gonna go see if we can do any quests. Let me just have this drink.
This game is really fun.
Well, at some point it actually gets fun when you actually get a bit better, doesn't it, Gandhi?
Yeah. I'm going to slingshot. Yoink.
Yeah, I unlocked it for you. Oh, let's see how much things we can buy with you can buy 1,000 treats for 10 million honey.
Yeah.
That's kind of stupid. I'm gonna go see how much tickets I can buy.
Okay, let me just farm some.
Yeah, if I wanna get 14 billion, not for me, no. Oh, I'll just harvest this sprout. Yeah, it's gonna be probably a cut like around now, so you don't have to see the grinding of the sprout. Okay, everyone, the sprout is nearly done. Let me just do something. Okay. This sprout is about to go down. It's a pretty easy sprout because of my abilities in this game. Yeah, the sprout is about to be done, so let's do this. No. First of all, you don't have a microphone, so what's the point?
What's up, guys? It's me, Woofy Gamer, and with my friend, Quaky Gamer. And today we're playing a Swarm Simulator.
Didn't you already do that?
Yeah, you got cut out, so I had to do it again.
Oh.
So, from Quaky Gamer's perspective, you've seen what we've done so far.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be much longer as thing. You had to restart your take because it didn't want to record. So yeah.
No, yeah, it got cut out.
Basically.
Because there was no storage left.
Ah. You have to delete some of your storage.
Your cousin joined.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I also did all of her things for her, so I mean. That's why I'm not having the best items in the game, because I'm doing everything for everyone.
So guys, if you look on the top right, you see how much time I have, on the top left, which is how much honey I have. So the honey is basically like the currency in this game.
Exactly. I'm gonna go get some power up.
See, and on the top left, it says how much pollen I can collect.
Pollen is converted into the honey.
my backpack's giving me food. So,
Okay, let's go do this.
so to go back to the
Ooh, fancy.
and so to go back to spawn and just get my honey.
Okay, yeah, I died, but I have infinite gumdrops for however long. So this is gonna be fun.
Cool.
Yay! Meow. Let me use. Yay! Let's get this started with. Goo 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 goo. So guys, our gumdrop thing ended. I wanna go check on if we can thing.
Quaky,
Yeah.
doing the slingshot.
What?
Doing the slingshot.
Yeah.
Go into it.
Why?
I need your help.
Okay.
And tell me when you're done.
I'm there.
Okay, look up here. Look up here.
Oh, you
Help
just
me.
just
Help me.
you just have to. I can't kill this guy. He has 29 million HP.
Yeah, if we kill him, we'll get super rich.
Yeah, you know that's gonna take like forever. Even pro people have to grind on this guy a lot. So no. I have my own to grind on, which I already took down like 6 million HP on. Might be just do like freaking 10 billion damage on him. No, that was not damage. That was not damage.
24 million damage. I mean, how?
Yeah, that's my one. Your one has 29 million. Yeah, I'm going. See ya.
See ya.
Let's just do this. I'm gonna go check on Tunnel Bear.
Who's tunnel?
Run! Kill him, Maze. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Assassinate him. 1,500 health gone already. Quick. That is decent. Tunnel Bear used to be so hard to defeat.
Okay, I want to go. This snail is hard to kill.
Can we end the video?
Cool.
Can we end the video?
Yeah.
Because I have to go.
Why?
Because I have to go eat.
Okay.
Okay, guys, that'll be it for today's video. We'll probably have a part 2 of this. So stay tuned. Peace out.